To all the sweet tooth people out there, today let's prepare Mysore Pak. It's an easy method and welcome back to my channel, Home of Tastes Veg Recipes. Take 1 cup of besan flour and sieve it. Transfer it to a pan and fry until you get a good aroma of the flour. Transfer it and allow it to cool. To the same pan, add 2 cups of sugar and half a cup of water and boil them. In parallel, heat 1 cup of ghee. Add half a cup of ghee and mix well. Stir it in such a way that no lumps are formed. The formed sugar syrup must have a one-string consistency. Then add the besan flour paste into it. Keep stirring while you add the paste. Then keep stirring. After adding besan flour paste, add remaining ghee and stir well. You can directly add the flour into the sugar syrup. But you need to be very careful because lumps are formed while you mix the flour into the sugar syrup. To avoid formation of lumps, I have added ghee to the flour and made a paste. Stir until it separates from the pan, and also you must get this beautiful texture. This indicates the completion of stirring and then transfer it to a ghee greased plate. Tap well and settle them. Chop into desired shape immediately by greasing ghee into the knife. Allow it to cool and then separate the pieces by flipping them to a paper. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon for your notifications.